something different right now. I know that don't let you see my only. I'm not always myself. I get a little moment to just be me, the girl I used to know. But life, times change, and we grow. We get lost when friends we used to know are not around to tell a story to keep you excited. You know your friends, they know you well. Time comes, we all go our separate ways. Since I traveled, I have 4 more children. I don't know, should I? See my mother, she was 13 pregnant with me. When I came out, she was now the 14. When I was 6, 1978, she was just 20 years old. My mommy. But my son, I was 17 years, 1 month. I get pregnant, and in 6 years' time, I was 23. 3 years bigger than my mother, 14 plus a 6. Should I worry about my son? I left in Africa. Or I should be worried about me, the 6-year-old 1978. Because 1990 I got lost to be a boy. And someone that was a boy, 1978. I traveled just for 2 weeks, but 4 more children was calling me. So I am 6 since 1978. Should I worry about my son or me? The 6 waiting for the 1978 never come for me. Slowly by slowly, 5 children plus me is 6 times 1. So when I am going crazy, there's 5 of me going on in the oldest day. I have to look out for me. I have a daughter when I am 30 years old. Lisa the 6, I was 36, and Alisa the 4. When Lisa has to go to a place because she has special needs to speak better, I worry for 16 years. Is it about my child Which one? 1990, 6 years time, 96? Or 2002, 6 years time, 2008? Or 1972, 6 years time is 78 that stood me up? So you just never know. Who is the biggest six? I'm the youngest six because I was the first six. 1978. Take a long time before 1990 to 1996. Take a long time to 2002 to 2008. So I have to feel sorry for myself first. So sometimes I put myself in a baby mood, because if I worry about my children and forget me, then the bird fly and my children left behind. So that's why sometimes I really need to pretend everything is okay. I have 5 kids, but there's something happened with my 6. And the 6 I left in Africa, and the 6 that left me 16 years ago. But in between, I have the 11, and I get the 4, and I get the 2.5. So there's a 6 in Africa, but I was 6 1978, and these are the 6. So, with all 5 kids past the 6. So it's just a little story about the girl behind the mask.